Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix apps if it's not opening in Windows 11. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, right click on your date and time right here. Click on adjust date and time. And then once that's done, if yours is not enabled right here, if your location permission is not enabled right here, make sure that you enable it, okay? Turn on and let apps access your location. Now go ahead and go back. Now in here, set time zone automatically. Make sure that it is toggled on as well as set time automatically. Once that's done, click on sync now. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, close this one. Go ahead over to your start menu right here. Right click on it. Click on installed apps. Now you're going to scroll all the way down until you find system components. Find the Microsoft Store. If the apps or games that you're trying to open is from the Microsoft Store. If it's a singular standalone game, okay, or app, you'll have to find it right here. All right, under installed apps. Now going back, let's say Microsoft Store, click on three dots, advanced options. Wait for it, scroll all the way down, find terminate, and then reset. Reset, wait for the process to finish right here. And then after that, gotta check if it does. If that sim will work, find your search bar and type down CMD or command prompt, and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, as there'll be a pop-up, and then just type down SFC /scan now, and then just hit on Enter. Just need to basically wait for the process to finish right here. As it says here, this process will take some time. Okay, now this scan right here will scan your system for errors or system errors, and it will just eventually fix itself. Okay, and once it hits 100 right here, you can now freely go ahead and restart your computer. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is how you fix apps if it's not opening in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.